Join me as I take on the challenge of making a mouth-watering veg handi. Even tandoori chicken lovers won't be able to resist. This veg handi is inspired by the flavors of tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken has a way of captivating our taste buds with its smoky, spicy flavors. We added the onions and bell peppers to bring out their natural sweetness, then add in the spices to give it that tandoori kick. The tomatoes add a tanginess and a burst of juiciness to the dish, while the red pepper provide a freshness that balances out the richness of the spices. Just take your first bite. The combination of textures and flavors explodes in your mouth, a perfect balance of spicy, tangy, and sweet. Join me next time for more delicious vegetarian recipes. And don't forget to share your experiences with this recipe in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your favorite dishes and any variations you've tried with this recipe. And be sure to subscribe for more mouth-watering content.